Imagine it's the middle of the busy day and you got a lot of customer messages that need a personal reply from you. But since you don't have time, it's a busy day, you can't reply to them. And if you miss the chance, you may also lose the sales, you can get the customer upset and you can't take that risk. So why not let the AI do those tasks? Instead of you going to spend manually time over there, let AI handle all the queries, let AI handle and reply to them personally, one by one, and proper messages, proper replies, right? So in this video today, I will show you how you can build an n8n WhatsApp chatbot or n8n AI agent that will help you to handle all your customer queries by themselves. So you don't have to go and spend your time over there. You don't have to hire some other person to handle all those things, and you can save your time, spend your time on the most relevant places, right? So let's see how you can build this. First, let me give you the demo, and then I will show you how this works. All right, so I will go on the chat WhatsApp right now, and you already see over here I asked it some of the queries, right? So what I will do, test this workflow. Okay, so I'm asking it, I need some technical help to implement a program. Can you help me out, please? Okay, so I will just enter it and let's see what happens. So you see it started running over here and it choose the right path where it will get the right answer. Okay, so it is running and AI is thinking what to respond, understanding the customer query, and let's see the response. So here is the response. Hello, thank you for reaching out. I understand you are seeking technical assistance with implementing your program. I'd be glad to help. Could you please provide more specific information about the issue you are encountering, including any error message or details about your implementation and all those? So, if you continue to experience difficulties after reviewing these points, please let me know. I'd be happy to provide. So, yep. So look at this, and you can basically teach it how it should respond. So this is the one of the message I you saw here based on the prompt that I provided it. All right. So simply this. If I show you the previous message over here, where I ask it, I was looking after the coaching program, but I need some more help with the coaching program. Can we schedule a call? Look at the response. Hey there. Thank you so much for reaching out. I completely understand you like more help regarding our coaching program. I'm happy to assist you with scheduling a call so we can discuss this in detail. Okay. To set up a convenient time, could you please let me know your availability or preferred days and time? If then arrange a call at your convenience to answer your question thoroughly. Okay, we truly appreciate your interest in the program, and well, so this way you can build, like, if the customer either wants to is their customer have some kind of queries, technical queries, they need some kind of sales, if the message is related to the sales. So let me show you here. So this AI chatbot understand the intent of the user, what they are messaging, what they actually wanted to say, what their problem is, and then on the basis of that, if the query is related to the sales inquiry, the problem handled in that way. If it is related to customer support, problem handled in separate way. If it is related to billing or payment, like you are getting the messages about the billing or payment, that handle will in a separate way. If it is about the feedback or testimonial, that will a separate department that will handle. We save the testimonial somewhere. Okay. If it's a technical issue, that will handle by the technical team. If it is spam and junk, just remove. And in general inquiry, like, you can get the answer. Okay. So based on what kind of message you are receiving, we will answer them separately. Okay, whatever the departments you have, whatever kind of queries you are getting in your business, you can schedule them based on that. So let's see how it works. So first of all, we have a WhatsApp trigger bot over here that will trigger only on the base of when someone send you a WhatsApp message. So you can simply go and implement this chatbot on your website, and when someone try to contact you from there, you can get the answer. And you can also give that number to your customers so they can contact you from there. Now, what happens after this? So you can get this from here. Click on the plus, search for WhatsApp, okay, and click on WhatsApp Business Cloud. All right. Now we need text classifier. You can search for that over here. Text classifier. All right. Let's see how this works. Click on this, and here you have to define the category. So we have one category for sales inquiry over here. Then we have another category for the customer support. Then we have one category for the billing and payment, feedback and testimonials, technical issue, spam or junk, and general inquiry. So you can get a lot of different kind of questions. Your business can be different, right? Your queries can be different. your departments can be in a business can be different. So based on what kind of business you have, what kind of queries you get on a regular basis, time to time, you can set a separate categories over here, and based on that you can get the different AI different responses. So each of the response, each of the query handled in the right way. All right. So here, like how you will do that. In the text classifier, give the text you wanted to use. So here, if you scroll down, see, copy it and drag and drop over here. Then in the categories, how you will test it. So here you have to define, like if someone asks about the product, services, prices, requesting code or demo, then typically sent by the potential customer. In that case, you have to use the knowledge, information that you have about your business, about our business, and respond in that way. And if it's some kind of query that will be better to assist to the sales team, then the message will transfer to the sales team that please contact this person and this is an important sales inquiry, potential customer. So the sales team will contact that. Okay, so in that way, sales team don't need to spend their time on unnecessary everyone, but only to the important leads, only to the important potential customers. Okay, another thing, if you have the customer support, how you do that? You have to define like emails from the customer seeking help, clarification or support of an existing purchase or ongoing issue. So if someone need to like that kind of inquiry, right? Existing customer needs some help or ongoing issue, that will happen in a different way. Then we have feedback and testimonial. So email containing review, feedback, testimonials or comment about experiences with your service or product, that will handle in a different way. All right. So you have all different categories over here. Now, once you build this category, you have to build separate chatbots for that so that each message handle in a different way. How you do that? Click on this, get out from this. Yep. So search for the open AI over here and then choose the message a model. Okay. Then inside this, how you do that? You have to define how this will work. First thing important, once you build this n8n AI agent builder, first time the from the this thing OpenAI won't, the connection between the your OpenAI and the n8n will not be there, will not establish. So you have to build the connection manually first. So click on this icon, okay, and then you have to get these details. How you get that? You can open this doc over here. You will get all the data. So basically go on the OpenAI API key place, search for the API key. You have to purchase the, you have to add some credits. So you can purchase the credit for $5 to use it in the start. $5 credits basically run for a month and even sometimes more, depends on the use. Right? Then you will get the API key over there. Process is very simple. Paste the API key, okay, and then done. You save that and the connection will establish. Now I'm using a 4.5 model, which is the latest model and best to for the text purposes, creating the content, those kind of purpose. 4.5 is good. So what I said over here, let's see. You are a WhatsApp assistant. Talk with task with replying professionally to a sales inquiry. Your response should thank the sender for their interest. Clearly provide the requested information about product and services or offer to arrange a demo or consultation. Okay. Encourage further communication or next step, and then message. How you get this message, which is unique every time. So over here, when you get that inquiry, you have to copy that message from here. Okay, this body message. And then draft a concise, polite, and engaging reply. Right? So then you will get the reply once someone raises this query. Similarly, we have another one for the customer support. So let's see for the feedback. Okay. Same process. Your connection is already established. This time you have to just choose the connection name. In the resource, click on text. In the operation, message a model. And inside the model, 4.5. Now let's see. Here what I said. You are a WhatsApp assistant. Talk with responding to customer feedback or testimonial. Thank the sender. Okay, first thing. Express appreciation and potentially ask for permission to share. Because if someone gave us the testimonial, we would like to use it for the marketing. We would like to use it to show publicly so that we can build a credibility in the market. So for that we also need their permission, that can we use it in the marketing, in public. Then encourage future communication or more feedback if appropriate. Okay, then message, same thing, and draft a warm, appreciative, concise reply. This prompt can be different for you, depends on your need, depends on how you wanted to respond, how you communicate with your clients. Okay, similarly you have to build it for each of the category. After you done that, you have to click on plus icon again and search for WhatsApp. Again, WhatsApp Business Cloud, and here click on send message. Okay, so over here, if I click on this, it's simple. You have to WhatsApp account, you have to connect over here. So how you do that? Simply you have, this a process a little big. So for that you already get a doc over here. So if I click on this, click on open doc, and there you will get the proper explanation how you do that. I can make a separate video about how you build this connection between the Facebook, between the WhatsApp and the n8n. Okay, then you have to simply give the access token over here and the business app ID, and then done. All right. Now what you have to do, in the resource choose message, in the operation choose send, in the sender phone number you have to choose the number. Okay, and in the recipient phone number, this will be the number from which you got the message. Okay, and once you do that, in the text you have to give the latest result you got from this. Okay, from the previous model, from this one, the last text that you got, the result you got, and then you have to reply that. Okay, so let's see it one more time. But yeah, one more thing over here. So for example, you got the, suppose you got the customer feedback, you can use those feedback, but you have to save it somewhere. So you can message your internal marketing team, internal operation team, that is store this data somewhere and then use it in the marketing, use it in the operations. For example, if you got the some urgent query, customer support is needed to someone, and this is very urgent, AI will tell you if it is urgent or not. If it is urgent, then you have to tell it to the customer support team that this some client is raising a urgent query, please look into that. If there is a, suppose for example, sales inquiry, you have to respond to the sales team. So for that, like, you can simply build this further operation what you wanted to do. All right, so simply over here what I said did, I search for the, for example over here, Gmail. Okay, and in the Gmail I am messaging the team that please check this, store this testimonial. Okay, whatever the testimonial is, and save it and use it in the marketing. All right, so you can build in that, and let's see another try. Okay, this time we are sending the testimonial message. Okay, hey there, your course was great, I love it, just one feedback, please provide templates if possible. All right, so this is just a general, I put the query, the kind of feedback. I will click on enter. Sorry, I need to copy it again. First I need to test workflow. I am not published it, so it's not work automatically, right? Once you publish it over here, it will automatically run. So right now I'm just keep doing it to show you, so I did not activate it. Let me show this again. I send, and now it will work. Okay, you see it started working. It go over here. Now you will get the WhatsApp message in the meantime. All right, so here's the message. Hey there, thank you so much for your kind feedback. I am glad you enjoyed the course and found it valuable. I definitely note your suggestion about providing templates. Feedback like your help us constantly improve. Would you mind if I shared testimonial publicly? Again, as I mentioned, I asked them if I can share it publicly. And feel free to reach out anytime if you have more suggestions or thoughts. I love to hear from you again. All right, so good and good reply, powerful reply. So you don't have to waste your time, spend your time on something like these things. All right, this is just one of the automation that I built. Apart from this, I have a lot of different automations, and if you want a template of this, right, so you don't have to build it from scratch, you can simply go on my school membership, right? You can join that membership, the link is in the description. Or if you wanted to know how to build it from scratch by scratch every step, you can also join the membership. I give you the detailed video over there. And apart from that, I have lot more different automations, AI agents, right? That will make your business easier, that will make your life easier. Already I built a lot of different automations, and you will find them in the AI membership, AI school membership. So you can join that, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. I will keep coming up with valuable, helpful videos. You can check my channel, a lot of different videos are there. So don't forget to like and subscribe. I will see you in the next video.